Hi friends, today I am going to talk about the career in law. And this is specifically I am talking today for the five kind of students. This is different from my previous video of the law. So here I am talking for the chartered accountants, for the company secretary, for the ICWS students, or for these people who have worked in the law firm as a under the advocate, senior advocate for 10 to 15 years. And fifth is the people who are into civil, like those who are BTech civil, or those who are architect, or those who are doing architecture work or connected to civil work. Now these five kind of people or five kind of student, they need to make their career in the law. Little different. You just try to understand the concept. Now what is happening in the last 5 years, if you see that we are getting changes in the various formats of the government connected to our career, and various software and government formats are made by which it becomes more easier to work for our client. Now here, if I am a chartered accountant, then I am handling only one segment. Right now I am handling only one segment, and that is the accounts part for my client. Now accounts part I am handling, but my client also needs certain other services of legal point of view, and those services I need to provide. I am a company secretary, I need to provide certain legal services. I am a cost accountant, I need to provide certain legal. Now what happened? The client, when we are not providing these services, the client takes that additional services from the other organization or from the other consultant. Now every day government is changing the rules, and you find that in GST also they are increasing the range, like 20 lakhs, then 40 lakhs. Tomorrow they will say 60 lakhs are exempted. Day after tomorrow they will say 80 lakhs turnover people will be exempted. Now here the software also of GST is going to be more comfortable and customer oriented or consumer oriented. In that case, our role is day by day is getting reduced. Now in that case, down the line after 5 years, what will be my role? After down the line 3 years, what will be my role? After down the line 2 years, what will be my role? Now here I have to get prepared. See, in the law also, so many changes coming. Like people need advice for the family law, because nowadays marriages are less and divorce are more. Now when this divorce comes, again there is a law comes like civil, where the property has to be divided. Now the client who is taking financial services from me, or one of the service from related to finance from me, now that client needs additional service. Now that I should be able to provide. Then major companies where we are doing audits and all, they are multinational companies. Now again there is a question come, my client needs a good advisor for an international law. Now these kind of services I will be able to provide. Even if any matter goes up my client in the arbitration, I have to go to arbitrator with my client. Then if I am a lawyer, if I am registered with the Bar Council of India, I can accommodate with my client to the arbitrator. Now here you try to get my point. I am talking tomorrow's need. See, tomorrow's need is you people need those who have worked in 10 years, 15 years under the lawyer. Now these people know, they know laws better. They are doing everyday work. They are preparing paper for the advocate. Next day advocate is going to the High Court and Supreme Court. Now here these people need to be converted as a lawyer. Now they will help in small cases to the senior advocate. Rather senior advocate should recommend कि नो ये स्टूडेंट को LLB होना चाहिए. Yeah, this is what the need is. Try to understand, this is going to be your need of tomorrow. And if you are not completing your LLB or law education, then you won't be able to go to that level which we expect, or which the market expects from you, or your customer expects from you. So any company secretary, any advocate, lawyer who is having 3 4 assistant under him should convert this assistant into a lawyer also. Any chartered accountant need to get the LLB qualification. Any ICWA you should need the and why I am talking about the architect. Now architecture also architects has to go through the RERA, they have to go to the civil acts, and now these acts they need to be have a legal education. Even the people who are working in the civil field need to have a legal education about the civil. Now here I say it's a golden opportunity, and you can think over it that if you are a law student, if you are LLB, if you are registered with the Bar Council of India, you have a more prospective work for your career and also in your field. Think over it. And if you really find out what concept I am talking about, if you need more detail, you can contact me, no problem. But if you think that what I say is a worth and it is really needed, then you straight away, my request, humble request to you, that you share this video to people. See, it may not be applicable to you, but it will be applicable to other students, and that they will make their career. So you can share the video. You can. I never say share my video, but this time I am saying because here is a question of career. So you please think over it for yourself as well as for the others, and it's my best wishes for your future. Thank you very much.